This Holstein Housewares 5-cup coffee maker lets you start your mornings off with a freshly brewed cup of coffee. The bright design adds a pop of color to your kitchen, while the glass carafe allows you to keep a close eye on your coffee levels. The removable filter basket and measuring spoon included simplify your morning pick-me-up and allow you to enjoy your favorite blend. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Morning cup. Freshly brewed and rich-tasting coffee at the ready. Convenient and user-friendly one-touch operation. And no need to wait. Auto pause and serve function means you can pour a cup of coffee before the brewing cycle is completed. Number 2. Comes with everything you need. A measuring spoon and removable cone filter are included with each coffee maker, so there's no need for wasteful paper filters. Glass carafe has easy-to-read text so you can keep a close eye on your coffee levels. Number 3. A great addition to your kitchen. Space-saving compact design takes up less of a footprint on your countertop. The bold and vibrant design adds a lovely pop of color to your kitchen decor. Number 4. Warranty. Holstein Housewares offers a 1-year limited warranty to purchase worry-free. A user manual is included in the packaging with easy instructions on how to use the product. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.